Hey everyone, here's an interview that I did with a warrior, and I'm going to be dissecting parts of this. So go and check this out. This is really cool, and this is a good way to learn how to make an income in this business. Hey everyone, I'm here with Brian McLean, and I just want to jump in here and start asking some questions. I know that you've put some checks up in the group. I know you've talked about a lot of success, and I know you've had some hard times too. But first of all, I just want to ask you, what got you started in surplus funds?
Yeah, like many people, I had not a clue what surplus funds was. We were in the pandemic and really just kind of like you, I do a lot of real estate stuff, fix and flips, buy and holds. I'm a licensed realtor, and we just didn't know what was going to go on. I, at the time, had a virtual assistant that was like an administrative assistant for me, and we actually stumbled upon your course from another real estate investor and didn't kind of said, this looks interesting, but I don't know really what to do with it. We had nothing to do. They wouldn't let us out of our house because we did live in Colorado, which was not as pandemic friendly as Texas. So we had a lot of time on our hands, and we really couldn't figure out exactly what was going to be happening with the real estate market. So we started taking some classes and doing your online courses, and it just seemed really interesting and also very customer centric and a very fun business to be a part of. So we just kind of put our toe in the deep end a little bit, and our first year we did the state of Colorado, and we also got our PI license for the state of Texas as well. So we started in those two territories based on your advice, and just started doing some of the same principles that we learned from your courses, as well as some of the back knowledge that we knew from prospecting for real estate. And that first year was really fun. We made some really good progress, and then just kind of continued to work through it from there.
If someone was just starting out, they've never worked the unclaimed business, they've never heard of it, what advice would you give them?
The first thing I say is momentum. You're going to know if you're going to be successful in this business within the first 90 days. We started off very deliberate in the type of claims we were working, but also claims that were winnable. So our sweet spot is any claim $5,000 and above, or $100,000 and below. So we really defined what our key market and our client would be. We also started in just doing what we call direct claims, meaning we weren't doing any heirships, we weren't doing any estates. So we made the game very, very easy. And I still remember our first client because I hand delivered her the check. It was somebody in Colorado. And it was a lady who probably didn't need the money, but was so thankful for all our help and what we did. And it just kind of made that momentum go even further. And then our second claim was somebody who absolutely needed the money, not just needed it, but needed it yesterday. And we're like, oh my gosh, this is like a really gratifying value add thing. And David, like you probably know, like majority of our clients have no clue that these funds are available to them.
Yeah, and that's one of the conversations I've had with people, because some people say, well, do you really feel good getting someone paid, getting the money? And it's like, well, I call people, and I just got a woman paid $600,000, and she knew about the funds, but she was unsuccessful in collecting them. So in reality, you're helping people out here. You're really helping people out. So that's awesome. Thank you for saying that. Absolutely. When did things start to click for you in the business?
Yeah, well, I think because we actually got access to your online course through that other investor. And then we made the jump to actually doing your coaching program. Mm-hmm. That's when things went like, you kind of talk about like that hockey stick where you go from here to there. When we started the training with your team, that's when we were really able to hone in our stuff. We hired another salesperson and then another salesperson on top of that. So I'm very big on simple system scale. So we used the programs, we used the training, we used the coaching that you were giving us, and then we went out and started executing on that. And we went from probably, 2 claims a month to 10 claims a month very consistently within a 90-day period. Okay.
Check us out in our community. It's at school. If you want to see the full interview with Brian, connect with other people, and add value to an incredible group. See you around.